The ocean was a little rough that day, so all the little fishies were hiding in their caves. One little fish poked his head out of his cave to see if it was safe to come out to play. And when he did, something amazing happened. He let out a huge yawn, like this big, and all the other fish in the sea felt sleepy. A seahorse nearby drifted off to sleep. A grumpy octopus fell asleep. Even the sharks didn't feel like eating anymore. They all just wanted to take a nap. Our little fish friend swam around the ocean, making all the animals sleepy with his giant yawn. He was so happy to finally be able to do something that made him feel so powerful. But then, oh no, he started to feel a little tired himself. He swam back to his cave and snuggled up to his mom. "I'm so sleepy," he said, and she just smiled and said, "It's okay, honey. You can sleep now."